In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Revolut virtual card on Google Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Revolut virtual card alongside Google Pay is extremely simple. As long as you have the latest version of Revolut and you generate a virtual card by going over to the virtual card tab, as you can see right here, you will be able to tap Get Virtual Card and assign a new name to the virtual card that you want to use with Google Pay. Now, once the card is ready to use, the only prerequisite is that your device has NFC capabilities. So if necessary, go over to your device's settings and make sure that NFC is enabled. By having NFC enabled, you can assign this card to Google Pay or a Google Wallet and use that option to make contactless payments. Now, tap on the card that should be ready to use inside of your Cards tab, and at the bottom you will find the option to add the card to Google Pay. It's either going to say add to Google Pay or add to Google Wallet. Regardless of whatever it says, that's all you have to do to properly link the card to a Google Wallet and use it as a payment method whenever you choose to use Google Pay. Now, tap the option, you will be redirected to your Google Wallet with all the details about the card properly set up. So the card number, expiration date, and security code are automatically going to be imported into your Google Wallet. With the card there, you can set it as a default payment method. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish if you have multiple Revolut virtual cards, and all of them will be properly synced up to Google Pay. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, make sure that your Google Wallet is properly set up, you are signed into your account, and as long as you do this process through the app, all the details will be automatically filled out for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut virtual card on Google Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.